I'm using the Brooklyn theme, and we can see here, if you're looking at a product, that this section, the product description, if it's long enough, it actually goes all the way down to the bottom. And it doesn't look the greatest because you have all of this white space on the left-hand side here. What I'm going to show you is how do you get this product description be at the bottom and have it come across and be at full width. What we'll have to do is go into our theme files. Just go into your Brooklyn theme files. Click on Edit Code. And then in here, where we need to find is, if we go into our sections, product template. This is where we need to make our change. You'll see here, we actually have our product grid or our grid system. We're just going to instead have our own grid be at the bottom of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this, minimize line number 23, minimize line number 125 here. I'm going to grab this first div and have it come down to the bottom. So really on line number 254 is where I'm writing this. Make sure that I close off that div. And then in here is where you have to, I'm going to open up this second one again, so 125. Let's go and grab, if we scroll down to the bottom, let's go and grab the product description. You'll find the product description right around line 244 here. Grab that, copy it, let's delete it, and then put it in your new div that you created. Just like that. And what we'll want to do is get rid of all of these other classes in here. You can keep the text center, that'll be fine. Actually, you know what? Let's just remove the text center as well. I don't think we'll need to center this text. Save it. Now if we go back into our product here and do a refresh, there you have it. Your product description is now at the bottom and it is full width. Hello everyone, if you've enjoyed this video and are interested in learning more, head on over to universatheme.com. It's a full-blown course that teaches you how to customize your Shopify themes, whether you're a store owner or a developer. We'll show you how to build navigation menus, how to filter your collection pages, how to customize your cart page, and so much more. You'll see you have a full-blown curriculum shown right here of what lessons are already there. So sign up today to become a Shopify Theme Pro.